We're going to explain how to easily find the last 2 digits of any year. It's simpler than you might think. There are actually a couple of ways to do this, and we'll cover both. 1. The direct method. This is the most straightforward approach. Let's say you have a year, for example, 1987. To find the last 2 digits, you simply look at the last 2 digits of the number. In this case, the last 2 digits of 1987 are 87. This works for any year. If you have the year 2024, the last 2 digits are 24. It's that easy. This method is perfect for quick mental calculations. You just need to identify the tens and units place digits. 2. The subtraction method, for years farther back. This method is useful if you're dealing with years before the Common Era, BCE, or if you're working with very large numbers and want to check your work. Let's say we want to find the last 2 digits of 1776. We'll perform subtraction. First, consider the last 2 digits of the year as its remainder when dividing by 100. The remainder after dividing 1776 by 100 is 76. This means the last 2 digits are 76. Now let's try a larger year, 2711. When you divide 2711 by 100, the remainder is 11. So the last 2 digits are 11. This method ensures that you're always focusing on just the last 2 digits, regardless of the size of the whole number. We are effectively removing the hundreds, thousands, etc. from the number and focusing solely on the last 2 digits, ensuring a precise result. It's particularly helpful for larger numbers where you might miss the last 2 digits by simply glancing. 3. Using a calculator for extra confirmation. For those who prefer to be absolutely certain or are dealing with unusually large years, a calculator provides an easy way to confirm your answer. Simply divide the year by 100. The remainder will be your last 2 digits. Most calculators will show you the remainder directly, or you can calculate it by subtracting the whole number part of the result from the original number and multiplying that by 100. This provides a fail-safe method ensuring accuracy, especially when working with larger numbers or if there is any doubt about the manual calculation. In essence, finding the last 2 digits of any year is a basic mathematical operation that requires only a simple glance at the last 2 digits or a quick calculation using division and remainders for accurate results. Remember, the direct method is fastest for most situations, while subtraction or calculator confirmation are useful for accuracy checks or working with extensive